Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to fix Steam application load error. So you may have faced some Steam application load error and I'm going to show you how you're going to fix that. So first you'll go to your Steam shortcut here and right click on it. Then you'll see an option that says open file location. Click on open file location. I'm going to maximize the folder. Then once you find the file location, right click again. And this time click on properties. Then on the properties page, you will see different options. You'll select compatibility. Then under the compatibility page, you'll see an option that says run this program as an administrator. Check the box. After checking the box, click on apply. Then click on OK. So this should work for you, but if it doesn't, another option we have is right click on the Steam app and copy it, after which we will open Steam. So after opening Steam, we'll go to library here, and under library we'll select the game that is causing us the application error issue. So for me it's this game. So in this game what we'll do is right click on it. After we right click on it, we'll see a list of options. We'll select the properties option. This will open up a panel of properties, and on the left side you'll see a property that says installed files. Click on that. After clicking on installed files, on the right side you'll see an option that says browse, so we will click on that as well. So this will open up the folder which contains our game files. So the next thing we have to do is right click and paste the file we just copied. So these two methods should work and fix the error, and I hope it works for you. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.